Hi everybody. I prepared to make a salad, Baccala salad. And I got a cut and I have to put in the water. Just to make a salad. You gotta make a small piece like this. Gotta put in the water. And the Baccala salad is supposed to, you gotta boil a little bit to make a salad. You have to change the water in the morning and night. For 3 days. Okay? Now you gotta stay in the water. Okay? So we put in the refrigerator. Now we put in the refrigerator. And don't forget to change the water. Okay? Okay, now I'm going to pick it up the Baccala for make a salad. I have in the refrigerator. It's be 3 days. I change water, now I did this, and now it's already. But I have to cook for make a salad. That's it, I get for the water. And then okay, now I gotta cook it. I have the water here. The water is boiling. I need this. Pick it up. Put it over here. Just gotta boil turn a couple times. We see it cook. See? And this is for the salad. Not put salt because the Baccala have salt. But when you fix, you taste. They need salt, you put salt. But right now, not put salt right now. Okay? Cover up, let it boil. Alright, let me see. It's cooked. It's almost 10 minutes. It's done. Look, it's done. You see? They open it. See? Now I drop the water and let it cool down. Let me drop the water. Okay. Now we drop the water, we put over there. I have to cool down. Now my hands are too much to work it out. Take this, put over there, and then let it cool down a little bit. Okay? And after a couple of minutes maybe, we break it, we put it in some place. Alright, nice cool down. I can use my hands because before it was hot. And then now I use I gotta break. You can break like this. Because this have no bones. You just break like this. And you put over here. This come like this. You need more small or big. You can leave it like this too. Okay, see? But we can put more something together. We make a salad when we fix. Alright, now I'm finished. This is it. Now I cover it up. I put in the refrigerator. And tomorrow, we fix tomorrow. Right? Okay. Okay. Alright, now I have the cauliflower here. I got clean. I rinse a little bit of this. And then, let's see, this may be boiling already. Now I just make this. Alright. So. But 10 minutes, look, that boil, see? Even 10 minutes, they're done, okay. And then I take it out. Alright. And let it cool down, let it cool. I'm here for do the Baccala salad. I have everything prepared. Just I start. So I have everything out. Now I put the Baccala in this bowl. First of all, put the Baccala in the bowl. Okay. Then you put the olive. This olive you put here. Then you put the parsley, little parsley, nice chopped. You can put a little garlic, not too much, but just they make a little taste, a little chopped garlic. See? You put a little chopped garlic. They make a little smell. And then you make the cauliflower. You put it that again. And then the last one make one orange. The last one is orange. First let me fix a little bit, because when you put the orange, you turn too much. The orange, they smash. Now I start to make a little salt. I start the salt a little bit. Little bit, not too much, just a little pepper. And olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, extra virgin. And then you put over there. E you torno. Non sta tutto. See? Salt. Then later I taste. They need more, I put. They don't need, I don't put. Now I put the orange. Now let me put the orange. The orange you have the peel. Just to make a little sound. You can peel the orange. So, and then when you finish the peel, you have to make like a rondelle, like this, like a ram, like this. Yeah. And you put it over there. You put it like this. Okay, let me see, maybe I need another orange. Do you like more? You can, it's no measure that you gotta make one or two. It's how much you think you like. Some people, they love in the salad orange. Put more oil. The Baccala bring too much, lot of oil. Go put a lot of the Baccala need oil. A little more salt. Okay. I think I want to put another orange. I want to put another orange. Let me see. I put the other one. Okay. I do this. Maybe somebody make a different way. I make it this way. Okay, I make a slice like this. That's it. This is not too good. All right. Now I test the salt. I got to test the salt. And I put away. At the night we eat. All right. See? Yeah. Let me see. It's good. It's good. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.